Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today is October 27th, around 5 p.m. On my way to pick up my kid from West High, a Ford Ranger, you can see right there crashing in the bushes, flew past me heading westbound on Lowell. Almost hit me. And then instantly after that, I noticed there was a ton of cops chasing this dude. So I ended up picking up my kid, hurry up, get home, got the drone in the air. It's about 5:20 when I'm actually flying around. I'm flying at about 300 feet in the air right now, and I get pretty good views on this drone. The DJI Mavic 3, my favorite drone ever. So again, October 27th, about 5 p.m., heading westbound on Lowell at Orchard Parkway, just east of Art Freeler School and just west of Corral Hollow. This white Ford Ranger was being pursued by Tracy PD. When they passed me, there was about 7 cop cars on his tail, and you can see everything ended right here. I was almost to Corral Hollow when this vehicle passed me. Everybody was stopped at the intersection. Cops were going everywhere. It was kind of nuts for a second, but then obviously you can see it didn't take long for them to get this suspect apprehended. There's nobody in the truck at this time. The whole pursuit is done. Everybody is in control or being taken control of by now. Tracy PD did their finest like always. This one reason what I like about this community. If you know somebody in this area or family in this area, make sure you share this video with them. Let them know what's going on. Let everybody know what is going on in our community and just be vigilant. Everybody needs to do their part these days. By the time I was in the air, the suspect was already in the car. All the cops are walking around doing their reports, making sure the adrenaline has calmed down. Everybody's okay, nobody's hurt. Both directions of Lowell was blocked off by the time I got there, east and westbound. There was some foot traffic on the north side of Lowell when I was flying around, but driving traffic was blocked off. Nobody could go by. There was a bunch of cops blocking both directions and here at the scene itself. When I first got the drone up in the air, before I could get everything stabilized to get you a good video, there was a police cruiser directly in front of the Ford Ranger. You can see it right here backing up away so they could get the tow truck in place. But that was right when I pulled up, and the video was very erratic, so I had to cut a lot of that part of it out. But you can see right here, I'm going to swing over directly above Lowell and head westbound so you could get more of a bird's eye directly down view. And you'll see heading to the north, which will be at the bottom of the video, that's going to be Orchard Parkway. The road going directly through the middle of the video, that is Lowell. All the traffic is being directed on the north going up Orchard Parkway. I'm going to fly directly east on Lowell and get you more of a bird's eye view of the scene and everything that's going on. You can see how Tracy PD has the road blocked. You got the truck crashed into the bushes over there, and that's what's going on. So if you saw any police action going on here in Tracy on the west side, northwest of Tracy, on October 27th around 5 p.m., bunch of cops everywhere, this is probably what was going on. This is what you missed. So I'm here to catch you up. Again, like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to upload most I can, or as much as I can, of breaking news here in Tracy, California when I could get the drone up in time to get you that good footage. Hopefully this video tickles your fancy. Like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Don't forget to check out the video library for other local news to Tracy, California. Look for links to those videos in the description below.